You're trespassing. You're trespassing. Get off the property. Go get a warrant. Fraudulent officers trespassing on the property without a warrant, without any rights. You're breaking the law. You're breaking the law. Lawbreaker. Go get a warrant. Huh? That's what they're claiming. Without a warrant, they can't do shit. Well, they can legally break in. Don't worry. What chair? Yeah, he's breaking the law is what he's doing. He's breaking the law, trespassing on my property. All of them trespassing on my property. They're breaking the law. I got fraudulent agents trespassing on my property without a warrant, claiming they're gonna break into my house for a second time. They already broken in one time without a warrant, and they're claiming that they're about to break in again without a warrant. They're standing right there, talking about he got a warrant. So break my fucking door down. You got a warrant. Don't tell me you got a warrant. You're lying to me.
They're coming back to the back. They had to get a
All right, don't worry. Fraudulent agents claiming false laws against me. Trespassing on the property without a warrant, without my consent. I advised them to get off the property. They're refusing to get off the property. They threatened to break into the property. Again, without a warrant. Fraudulent activities. They're constantly trespassing on my property. They have no right to step on my property. A warrant for what? A warrant for what? A warrant for what? You're outside on the property. Relax. I'll take the blame for everything. All you're gonna do is do that and they're gonna disappear. Like they did the last time. They can't check shit. I'm gonna close this curtain right here. Got fraudulent officers on the property claiming false laws. Huh? Who? Yeah. I can't do that. Fraudulent officers claiming false laws against me. Claiming false laws against me. Claiming false laws against me. Lieutenant Grady Grimes showed up here with the officer who attempted to stop me on the 29th. Also with Detective Adrian Lewis, who's committed fraud against me. That's Officer Grady Grimes there, trespassing on the property without my consent or a warrant. All we gotta do is sit out here, lock every door. Turn off the TV, lock every door. I said turn off the TV, sit out here and lock every door. Somebody got a warrant, so you got a warrant, why you knocking on my door?
See, my hair reflects my African heritage. How come everybody want to act like they're down with the cause? It's because they be putting seashells and beans and nuts and soy and salad all over.
Not in the back, they're not in the front.
You can't fix that, they break it.
You don't have to call my mom. I have no idea where they're at right now. Pretty Grand's walked over here. There's someone on the side over here. Can't see them. Fraudulent officers. The female that attempted to stop me on the 29th is here.
As she is.
Adrian Lewis is here, and Grady Grimes is here. All claiming false laws against me, saying that I am not allowed to exercise my common law right to travel in my automobile. Saying that I have no right to travel in my automobile. What law are you claiming, sir? I was traveling, sir. I'm a traveler. I'm a traveler, sir. I'm a traveler. I broke no law. I have the right to exercise my common law rights, sir. Yes, I do, sir. What law says I don't? What law says I don't have that right, sir? Can you please explain to me? Tiva, baby, okay. Well, you're gonna have to do it illegally like you did last time, and all of you will get notices. Excuse me? Yeah, I will. And you failed to answer. Those notices. Well, I specifically asked you about the common law right to travel, and you failed to respond. So since you failed to respond, I have common law. Oh, you have to respond to a notice. You have to respond to a notice. I asked you questions, sir. I asked you questions. I wanted you to clarify my understanding, which you failed to do. No, you can't. You can't. If you're claiming there's laws that I've broken, show me the laws. Show me the laws, sir. What section? What title? What subsection, sir?
22(1)(3), section 5.
22. Give me 1 second, sir. You're trespassing on the property. Get off. You failed to answer your notices. Now what you said, Florida Statute Chapter 322, driver's license privileges. 3-4, because right here I got Florida Statute 30, Chapter 32, driver's licenses. A vehicle that occasionally transports personal property to and from is not a commercial vehicle. Florida Statute 322. Sir, I've looked up the law, sir. And just because I wrote it in my notebook does not make it not valid, sir. It says a vehicle that occasionally transports personal property to and from is not a commercial vehicle if the use is not for profit. I am not a driver, I'm a traveler. It says drive means to operate or to be in actual physical control of a motor vehicle in any place open to the general public for the purpose of vehicular traffic. I engaged in no business. We have been through this before, and you let me go because you knew my common law right I was right about my common law right. And then on the 29th, they let me go. On the 29th, they let me go also. So for you to appear here on my property, you have no right to do this.
You're going to go to jail, Joe.
For what? For what? No, sir. No, sir. I do not require no kind of license, sir. I am a traveler. I have common law rights. I have the right to travel.
We're going to go into your house forcefully and bring you in.
So without a warrant, you're going to break into my house. No, if you have a warrant, you wouldn't be knocking on my door, sir.
I'm not going to go in with courtesy.
Sir, you're breaking the law. You have no warrant to come to my house. You're claiming false laws against me, and you want me to believe what you're saying. I got fraudulent officers on my property claiming false laws against me. They're telling me I don't have the common law right to exercise my common law rights.
Lieutenant Grimes says we're going to come in your house and
Okay. Okay.
All right, be ready.
I'm ready, sir.
Bring in resistance.
I will be sitting calmly, sir. You have no right to hurt my dog. I have a dog here. You have no right to hurt my dog. Please, so I'm telling you, I'm asking you to please do not hurt my dog.
I'm asking you to walk your ass out.
I don't have to walk through that door, sir. I've done nothing wrong.
Don't worry about the dog.
I've done nothing wrong. The person you're looking for, I am not that person. I am not required. Excuse me?
That dog bites. That dog,
If you bring it to my house illegally, you have no right to shoot my dog. You have no right to hurt my dog, sir.
I will if he bites you. You walk out.
My dog has the right. My dog has the right to protect this property. Yes, it does, sir. Yes, I'm asking you, please, to vacate the property because you have no right to be here.
I'm asking you to walk out, Joe.
You have no right to be here, sir. You're violating my common law rights.
You don't have common law.
They got automatic weapons over here. They just want to use violence against me.
The laws don't apply to everybody but you. They apply to everybody.
No, sir. By consent, and I consent to nothing. I don't want your contract. I don't want your contract. Everything is by consent, and I'm consenting to nothing.
Children in those public schools.
I'm consenting to nothing.
You yourself a sovereign citizen?
Yes, I consent to none of your actions.
Take your kids.
Excuse me?
Send your kids to Sunrise Elementary. That's taxpayer. That's the machine.
I had the right to take part in the community's activities, sir, without being associated with that, without being associated to that association. I have that right. Excuse me?
Your taxes paid for that time.
Sir, again, I have the right to be involved in community activities without being a part of that society or that association, sir. Sir, I've done nothing wrong. I've done nothing, and you know I've done nothing wrong, sir.
The state of Florida says you have.
You know I've done nothing wrong. No, the state of Florida, you guys are claiming it. You are claiming it through false statements.
Okay, think about the past, Joseph.
Yeah.
Go back a few incidents.
Yeah.
We've always brought you in,
Yeah.
one way or another.
Falsely, yeah.
Again today.
Falsely.
Do you understand that?
Falsely you brought me in.
It may be falsely.
Falsely you brought me in, sir. Falsely. Under protest and duress. Under protest and duress.
Whatever. We're still going
It's not whatever, sir. You know what those words mean. You know what those words mean. I'm trying to be peaceful. I don't bother nobody. I have the right to travel and go do common daily things like go grocery shopping, take my daughter to school, and do what I got to do to better my life and keep my life happy and organized. And you don't have the right to trespass against my... Hold on, sir. Fraudulent officers claiming false laws against me, trying to prove that they are correct when they have not proven nothing. When they have proven nothing, they don't even answer questions. They don't answer no questions. They don't do nothing according to procedure. All they do is break procedure. All they do is break procedures. That's all they do is break procedures. Dishonorable officers broke into my house. You broke into my house, and I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you for breaking into my house, you fucking criminal. Here, take my phone. Call somebody up. Fuck, I hate to call my mother up.
Who are you talking to?
I guess your supervisor.
Oh, you on the phone?
I guess she's talking to her supervisor.
How many cops are there, just him?
No, there's a few. They got SWAT, or they got niggas with guns.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, don't worry. Alright, don't worry.
I'll come in here and get you when I get home.
Why? Because you got a gun? I'm supposed to be scared of you? I didn't ask that. I said, am I supposed to be scared of you? Do you realize you're a public servant? Do you realize you're a public servant? Clean your ears. Policy enforcer, is it true that you're wearing a hidden microphone in your person and you're recording everything I'm saying? Policy enforcer, is it true that your department has a written policy that if anyone demands you call your supervisor that you're required to do so at the risk of losing your job? Policy enforcer, do you know that demand is defined as a claim, a legal obligation? Under what authority are you acting? Under what authority are you acting? Are you not obligated to answer the questions of the public? I'm asking the questions here. I'm asking the questions here. I'm asking the questions here. Is this a transaction of security interest? If not, you will not be generating any obligation upon me to pay or perform, so there's no reason for us to be talking. And if it is, you need my consent for that. And I do not give my consent for your transaction of security interest. In regards to the driver's license, registration, and insurance, are you willing to claim on the full commercial liability that I have an obligation to have this? You refuse to answer questions, right? You refuse to answer questions. You just want to use violence. You just want to use violence and break procedures that you're supposed to follow, that you're obligated to. You want to break procedures. I said, get your supervisor. I demand your supervisor. Fraudulent officers refusing to answer questions. Refusing to answer questions. Trespass on the property without a warrant or my consent. Have weapons. They're ready to use violence against me. They're ready to use violence against me.
What do you think it's going to take for you to just walk out or for you to open the door for us to walk in and get this done?
Sir, I've done nothing wrong, sir. Would you like to answer these questions, or you don't want to be held liable? I got 44 questions. I have the right to ask you all these questions, and I have the right to get the correct answer, the right answer, legal, out of the books, out of the chapter you're saying. You need to prove what you're saying to me, sir. Sir, I have never tried to commit. I try to be friendly. Every time I met with you, I thought you had honor. But you've proven to me you have no honor, sir. You've proven to me you have no honor. This is what you have proven to me. What have I done to violate anyone's rights, anyone's property? Have I hurt anyone? Why are you doing this to me? Why are you doing this to me?
Are you ready for an answer?
Yes, sir. Go ahead and give me your answer.
The state of Florida, everybody, including you and me, has to be properly licensed to drive a vehicle. I know you found some statute or something that you feel like you have a right to travel without being properly licensed, but you have been licensed before.
It was through trickery, sir. Through trickery. And once you have to discover that trickery has been done, I had the right to exit out of that contract, out of that agreement.
Mentally unstable?
Excuse me?
That's the biggest issue. I don't think you're mentally stable.
Oh.
That concerns me.
Yeah?
I think you're an okay guy, but I believe you really believe that the laws don't apply to you.
They don't, sir. They don't. I'm not a corporation. I do not have to follow the policies or regulations of corporations.
This is not a corporation.
Yes, it is, sir. You're trying to generate revenue. You're trying to involve me in a contract, sir. And I don't want no contract. I don't want no contract, sir. I'm sorry, sir. They're in my back door, and my dog is barking. I cannot hear you. Tiva, baby, can you please tell your officers to get away from my back door so I can conversate with you? Because I can't hear what you're saying. No, so you can put your hands on me and use force. I know you want to use force. I know. I understand. That's the only thing you know how to do is use force. Why is it time for me to listen? You're not even listening to me. You're not even listening to me. I got facts here. I got court cases. I got facts here. Title 18, sir. Title 18 USC. Is that not real? Is that not real? Is that not real? Okay, sir. So why are you coming over here and doing this against me? No, it's not a valid. So go get the warrant and let me see the judge's signature. Go get the warrant. Let me see the judge's signature. Oh, now you don't have to show me a warrant. You claim you have a warrant, but I don't have to see it. So I don't have to come out either, sir. Well, break the law, sir, because I know you have no warrant. If you're refusing to show me the warrant with the judge's signature, you have no warrant. Okay, sir? Please, I am not a child. I am not a child, so you could try to manipulate my mind. I'm a grown man, just like you're a grown man. We could talk peacefully if you like to talk peacefully, but please do not lie to me, sir.
Don't act surprised that this happened because you were pulled over just the other day.
So then that's when the matter should have been handled, and it was handled. That's when the matter should have been handled. You can't come to me a couple of days later about this nonsense.
I'm sure somebody at that traffic stop said, we're going to take your ass to jail.
No, they did not. No, they did not. They was trying to get me. They was trying to get me to come out. And all this is going on YouTube. Everything's on YouTube. So go to YouTube and check it out, because you'll be on YouTube again. All this is on YouTube. All right?
You know why we let you go the other day? Because you weren't man enough. You're hiding behind your dog and your wife.
No, sir. Because I had the common law right.
Anything that happened to your
No, you do. Because now you're showing up on my home. Threatening my family again. Look at those weapons you have in your arms. Threatening my family again with those weapons right there. I have no weapons. I have no weapons. Like, again, sir, I will not do nothing voluntarily. You claim you have a warrant. Do what you got to do. I don't believe you have a warrant. I don't believe you have a warrant with a judge's signature, or else you would have it in your hand right now. You just talk before I can come out. You can intimidate me. Like I said, sir, we're both grown men here. Okay? If you want to handle it like grown men, we can handle it like grown men. But I am not going to stoop down to no child's level.
Do you have a computer?
I got a computer.
Go to the clerk's office website. Or what website would it be for CLE? If you go to the clerk of court, you'll see your name with a warrant to do that also.
That's not my name, sir. I am not that person. You are claiming I'm that person, and whoever out here wants to claim that I'm that person, I am not that person.
The warrant with that name on it, you say that's not me.
I'm not that person. So your facts are all wrong, sir. Your facts are all wrong. So get your facts correct before you come at me the way you're coming at me. Because you got weapons, you got automatic weapons there.
this is semi-automatic.
Whatever. It shoots multiple rounds. I don't know why you even got that on the scene for. I don't even know what that's on the scene for if you got a gun on your hip. All of you got guns on your hips, and you come in with that high-powered weapon. For what? What? Man, listen, I'm done with you. I'm talking to the sergeant or the lieutenant here. So go over there, sir. I'm dealing with the lieutenant here. You're nobody to me. Sir, please instruct him to go away, because I'm trying to deal with you.
In your group that are terrorists.
Excuse me? Excuse me?
You've never threatened violence to me. I appreciate that.
Thank you, sir, because I'm a peaceful man.
The reason you and I are talking, the reason I knocked on your door, we didn't just bust in your house. Try to do this peacefully.
You're not trying to do this peacefully, sir. I don't want to go away nowhere. I don't have the right. I got the right to not go nowhere. I have the right to defend myself and keep myself barricaded in my house.
If you break the law, you lose that right.
I didn't break no law, sir. What law did I break? Who did I injure? Whose property did I damage? Where's the corpus delicti? Where is the corpus delicti? Where is the corpus delicti, sir? Why are you refusing to answer questions? What time is it? Fuckers.
Can they search the house?
That's why you want to lock all the doors. I don't know. Probably a day. They probably let me go on my own reconnaissance.
He was calling my name.
Who?
Agent Lewis. He's like, Monica.
Yeah,
Monica.
yeah. They're all full of fraud. He don't want to answer no questions. He don't want to be held liable. Try and tell me he got a warrant, but he's trying to be peaceful and knock on my door. Yeah, right, dude. Refusing to answer questions. It's locked. I locked everything. Then we'll lock this door too. That's it. They're claiming to hear from me. They can't search the house. All they can do is if they break in, take me away. Fraudulent officers claiming false laws against me. False laws against me. And then they're the ones breaking the law. They're the ones breaking the law. And they want And they want me to submit to their contracts. They want me to consent to their contracts, and I do not consent to any contracts. No contracts at all do I consent to. Now they're hiding on the side of the house where I cannot get a view of them. I have no idea what they are doing. They're plotting. They got automatic weapons. Semi-automatic, whatever you want to call them. Trying to get me to consent. Trying to get me to consent to their contracts. Trying to get me to consent to their contracts. I have no idea where they are. They're hiding. Hiding. Lieutenant Grady Grimes. Lieutenant Grady Grimes. They're hiding on the side of the house. I have no idea where they are. I have no idea where they are. Fuckers. I don't know how you're gonna get out the house. Causing a scene for my neighbors could look upon this and think that I'm a criminal. They're making my name look bad with the neighbors, with all this activity coming up, trespassing on my property without the right to be on my property, without my consent or a warrant, making me look, embarrassing me in front of my neighbors. The second time they have already broken into my place without a warrant. On July 9th, 2011, they broke into my place without a warrant, kidnapped me and held me hostage for 34 days, and now they're here trying to do the same thing, claiming false laws against me, and refuse to tell me what law they. Yeah, they're good. They parked over there. They parked on the side, hiding. That's why he came knocking. And then he had his little team hiding on the side there, pretending like he got the right, like he got the authority. If I don't give you consent to have authority, you don't have no authority. They're all hiding. They're all hiding behind my wife and my daughter. No, I got the right to travel with my wife and my daughter and my dog. I have this right. Refusing to get off the property. Refusing to answer questions. Refusing to claim full commercial liability on their statements. They're just refusing. I didn't know public servants were allowed to refuse the public's demands. I did not know this. This is news to me. They're hiding on the side over here, conversating about something. I can't even see them. I don't know. Get the phone, call Angel up, let her know what's going on. Yeah, I should have. Because I don't want her to. My keys, I have the keys to that door. We'll see. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Yes, sir. Yeah.
We'll be seeing in a few minutes.
All right, sir. But you still have not told me what laws I have broken. No, you didn't, sir. You didn't prove. I know you don't want to prove it. You don't want to claim full liability on nothing. You don't want to claim full liability on nothing. We'll be seeing you in a few minutes. If you want to leave the house now. You want to leave the house now? I'll say go to the garage. You gotta move fast.
They ain't gonna let me back in.
No, I know. But they can't detain you either.
How do I go through the garage?
To the side door. And I lock it fast.
Yeah, if I get you when I do that.
Oh, whatever.
I don't get my keys.
Yeah, get your keys. I'll leave my keys here. They got the keys. They unlock. Tiva, no, baby. No, baby. Stay right there. They unlocked. What time is it?
You locked it?
No, not yet. Just 'cause I gotta go talk to him. Thing is, I need to find out where the fuck this nigga's at.
Yes, sir.
I gotta